I thought I'd give everybody a little bit of update here. As you can see, it's snowing pretty good. Yeah, it's kind of like a little mini blizzard going on here. So here's my patio on the back. This line right here is my patio, and you can see how high the snow is right there. Look at that. Just in this area. And over here, I mean, look at the snow. We hardly ever get any snow on the furniture here. And look at this. There's a few inches just on the coffee table here. And it's still snowing. We are in a winter storm warning here until 5 o'clock. And just a little bit east to us, they're in a blizzard warning until 5 o'clock. But like I said, it's more like a mini blizzard at my house. You can barely see. You can see that one house there in the neighborhood behind, but it's mainly whiteout conditions. I mean, this is crazy with all the snow. And like I said, we normally don't get this much snow on our patio here. Even the front is just full of snow. My front patio here, look at this. Crazy. It's really pretty. And they tell you if you don't need to get out, don't get out. There's a lot of closures here in the area. The schools are closed. The government is closed. We're closed today too. We're not going into work. Probably, there's a few things I have to get done. Might try to go in this afternoon. Possibly, if they clear the roads a little bit, but they have definitely not plowed up in this area. But just want to give everybody just a little quick update. Right now, I am safe and sound in my house. And the good part about this snow today is that I don't necessarily have to go into work. And I can get some decorating done. I still got lots to get done before Thanksgiving. Everybody's coming over here, and my house is a hot mess in some areas still. I got to get it all done. But I thought everybody might want to see what fun we're having here in Colorado. Wow, it's just like crazy. The little whirly jigs going. See, it's just a little bit windy here. But the snow is pretty. If I can back out a little bit. There we go. So this means I can hopefully get my family room video done today while I'm here. And I'll have it up and running for you guys on tomorrow morning. Fingers crossed I can get it all done. So I'll see everybody later.